Nadex versus Pocket Option. I'm going to tell you the difference of Nadex and Pocket Option. If you're diving into options trading, Nadex and Pocket Option offer two very different worlds. Nadex is a US regulated exchange focusing on binary options, call spreads, and knockouts, giving you transparent pricing, regulated protection, and access to real market data. It's perfect for serious traders who want structure, legal oversight, and risk defined positions. On the flip side, Pocket Options is more beginner friendly and flashy, offering high or low binary trades with up to 92% profit potential. But it's offshore and less regulated, meaning higher risk and limited legal protection if something goes wrong. Pocket Option shines for fast paced, simple trades and a gamified interface. But Nadex wins if you're after legitimacy, long term consistency, and a platform that plays by the rules. So if you're all about quick wins and flashy trades, Pocket might feel exciting. But if you want to build real trading skills with safety nets in place, Nadex is the smarter bet.